Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Day in and day out, we are getting to hear more on the military personnel that were invading the floor of parliament. No, what people don't understand, and they say Ghana mra etrese military no womu ni ho kwan se womben saade no, it amounts to a coup d'etat. Na esan say, and because of how serious that thing is, nintino omo ayabo mudin say womo na womo order military no say womo mbra no sisi a wo bia e ba abonten aba beka say enyo no nkrofo pese ye tie ase say eye military na nkasa no mo de omo pe na baae na omai we ayetimu sebe akolakre nim say as soldiers for the work based on command. A group of soldiers into me sorry keke enkase ye hwe TV na TV no ye hu ni say MPs for air kontokwante ya ye be ko parliament ho na ya ko ya fetuo aboyebo say ye kwa ko stop yo mo na abi yes sir na say mo soldiers for the ground what you are doing amounts to coup d'etat. Now see you know NDC MPs Babontin Beka said Dominic Nitiwu, who is the former defense minister and our friend military no. In fact, Dominic Nitiwu any most of the interior minister and the national security minister when they are no more parliament, so they were on the side of the NPP. Nkofo bebre abo mudin say wo no more friend military no, and they are all denying say more because they know how serious it is. Now we are getting more details into the thing. Say military for no eba parliament no Kennedy Japan ko jine nim ho a we say one penny ma military for number. Yes say na ye soon Kennedy Japan ko to baby no e ka de na ko wo pra e ka kete say na ye soon Kennedy, and that is what omo a wo parliament has in fact muntaka kra ba bonten ye ne enim say muntaka one Kennedy Japan ntokwa wo munya no enye ntokwa ketwa. But based on asemwa esi ye our parliament grounds no even Muntaka kra can be a Kennedy Japan. Muntaka just had an interview with Joy News, the probe, over an hour-long interview, and he was saying everything that happened. And yemen and them can't say this, hey, Rebecca said, Yambo Kennedy Japan Abasono. A lot of people have sent me audio. Omoka say, Melodies, Yambo Nabasubia, Kennedy Japan, Obohu, Interna one say. But Omo ye MPs, Womo Ewohono, NDC MPs especially, Obia Kasa wait here, Kennedy Japan dear or ya dear. It started with a year Sam George. Sam George say, I salute to Kennedy Japan. What Kennedy Japan did. And Brannan to Kwane Air Kosono. Na wono aba no ni NDC for na bekasa oh mo de say mo de mo pe bia ye beye mo de but say Kennedy Japan was the peace just say amen the can focus a peace council no ye fa Kennedy Japan to ano because the way he organized himself there no a shocky will be a even Muntaka I want Kennedy Japan last year na ko mo ya akon e wo parliament no Muntaka say he was shocked. Say embrace this no Kennedy Japan ba wo Muntaka nchen e ka twa Muntaka say minim say me no wo asem ba wo de we forget it we Ghana in Kanko mesrew yen settle asem we ntokwa na esi no muma yen kasa Muntaka na nkasa na aba abonten be kasa asem no I see he said it on, you can go and watch on Joy News. Muntaka say he was shocked that even Kennedy Japan approached him. Or say Kennedy Japan, KT Hammond, Afenyo Marking, and or Sanso Bo Bidini Pakuni Di Mirefi. Or say these people, he was shocked because he can't MPP for strong that were so a back Katashi sending we are one more chese, one more to me. I say, oh, Maza Kennedy Japan, in the Kasai Mani way. It's a no Sanso reveal, yes, say I suggest for ever parliament or no. It amounts to coup d'etat. They will set up a committee and investigate that particular matter. Because everyone is denying. But you see one thing they say, I saw just one neighbor police ni penny be edi womonim ebae. I see a friend kill for real said yen. It's a committee ni the ombeya say, you better kill for real na ba parliament committee ne so. Your friend ba na ye tun say bisande say why na ma order no say bra nti e ho no eni be hu ne pakora wo tun sa efre omo say wo mo embra. And we didn't even know say as soldiers for the parliament or no, they were using the electric tasers and a tasers na electric shock no, they were even using it on the MPs. Womu tezi MPs no. Check, go and watch the video. Mutaka kan na man ko share video no very well. Now watch the video no very well. The video is public. Watch the video no very well. We don't want to say soldiers for no, a soldiers for no air no. Abrantie bi we don't say abrantie bi fi MPP for mu ekogina a soldiers for no ni ma a soldiers for no suma abrantie no kra. Inti Muntaka per se ye tres or say ye go share video ni ye be hu ne say e Kennedy Japan na ye ne sa no. Kennedy Japan that soldiers ne ba no ono Kennedy Japan cry realize ye say no, it was wrong to kojina soldiers ne nim. The same way I'm making, I know a lot of people don't like Kennedy Japan, so they will come and say so Melody decided I will keep your man. But you see, me as someone may can say I am the number one. In fact, on YouTube, you can be our criticizing Kennedy Japan. But maybe when they say I am the number one critic of Kennedy Japan. And interested what you dear Papa Mayenka. I've always been saying this. Or your bonia mekan or your papa nswa mekan. And I what they want a car can just that we don't have copyrights to those things. But you can go on Joy News and you can watch the video very well. The Muntaka can the credit. We do soon Kennedy Japan go two baby. Kennedy Japan and Yepra. And that is what happened. Military and some is see our Parliament House no and no. Media maka this matter same way nanka the ruling government side and they winning the speakership of parliament like I can assure you say same way nanka nkonko do bebia, and that is the truth. Imagine say Michael Kwe and they winning the speaker of parliament nanka Kalosa Hinkra na asem no yebebo nanka saa military for ya mobile parliament no enkonko siaga, because obviously you can't tell me say the opposition and no friend military no. Obviously it was someone in government and no friend opposition, because we all know how the military works in this country. Aboto yemu amemenya e was same way ninane said sisiano, at least if for nothing at all it is the opposition who is controlling the parliament, and we've been assured by Muntaka say asem we there wo mo nhwe e manenko me say esi ye no mahama babonten be ka say wo say ye investigation asem we ho esi edon ke tianso babonten on behalf of NDC say wo say ye investigation asem we ho Muntaka so e confirm e ka say asem we there kiane ke ye kosroba from ye be investigation, and then wo say asem we Ghana should be rest assured omo a wo mo nsa ewom no they will be punished. It is only things like this you can get if the opposition occupies one side of the arms of government. Me see, sa system where Ghana ya one say ya we have one of the best governments or governance in the country. Sa system where sisiano said the opposition is ruling parliament and the executive no the union say it belongs to the ruling government no. System where yenya say yanhwe ni ya a bet churning out one of the best governance. Sa system way yanhwe ni ya e be ma corruption so ate, because who could see interview na Muntaka ye na and someone work can I say because in the past no the ruling government still controls parliament niti bill asabe yambe discuss kra ye kwajibosia $10 million $100 million kra na e was say you take 1 week ni hwehwe nsem ni mu no e ye de ba ya na ye de afechi, because e ya ban e na wo ruling parliament niti ye de fechi na ya sign na ye de ko. Now he's assuring us says he see an opposition a ruling no things like that will be checked. It will be making sure say policy be ye be pass ya wo mo be check e hu ni say katahye ne proye bia nhye de enim ansa na ya pass policy no. Muntra mo adwo comment box ni mo me da say